Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add analytics to track web traffic to your website. So we're going to use Google Analytics. Okay, the first thing we need to do is to create an account. Let's go to admin. Click add. Let's create an account. Let's give it a name. Let's call it My Listing 16. Click next. Let's add a property. Track web traffic. Click next. And let's call it internet small traffic and leads and user engagement. Let's hit create, accept. Okay, let's go to the website. Copy the website URL. Give it a name. It's called My Listing 16. Okay, let's hit create. Now let's copy and paste this code to our HTML. Be sure to add it after the head element and only give it one to each HTML page. Okay, let's go to the HTML right on top of head. Let's copy paste the code. Save and refresh. Let's test our installation. See, we already have the code installed in our website. That's great. So hit confirm. Let's see, we need to wait for 48 hours before Google can actually collect any data. But once we have after 48 hours, you will see the data on this home page and right here. Okay guys, that's